As you are shouting, saying that you are saved, whereas you are fornicating, you are being adulterers, and you are drunkards, are you really saved?
Whatever oyenzayo uyayibona elifuthi akayonabelanga iwesi umazibisa ngomntwana wakhe.
Because God says whatever that you are doing, He sees it and He's not happy about it. It is even worse when you call yourself a child of God.
Eyayingabukisa inkosi Yesu Kristu xa yayifika sebeshintsha istrategy nokusebethengisa endlini kaThixo.
It annoyed Jesus Christ when they changed the strategy into selling into the house of the Lord.
Ebadela ukuba ngoku abaqhuphe sebakhuphile baqala bafuna umbethelela ngoba abantu abamfuni umuntu oyabacela ngezono zabo.
After He had chased them out, they started wanting to crucify Him because people hate a person who tells them about their sins.
uJeremiya bamthatha bamfaka entolongweni eyayinodaka phansi ngenxa yokuba ebaxelela izinto zabo izono zabo.
They took Jeremiah and put him in a muddy prison because he was telling them about their sins, and they don't want a person who tells them about their sins.
Uyabona ukuba uyabuxela abantu uba ubese uYesu bazoba nemizi bazoba nezinto ezinhle bazoba lena abantu bayeza kodwa wena umaxela ngezono zabo bayakuthuka.
You see, when you tell people to come to Jesus, they are going to get certain things. They are happy about that, but when you tell them about their sins, they insult you.
Bayakuthanda ukukhonza abantu kodwa bafuni ukwehlukana nesono.
People love worshiping God, but they do not want to turn away from their sins.
Bayathanda abantu ukushumayela kodwa bafuni ukuhlukana nesono.
People love preaching, but they do not want to separate themselves from their sins.
Bayathanda abantu ukuqala amabandla kodwa bafuni ukwehlukana nesono.
People love building churches or starting churches, but they don't want to separate themselves from their sins.
Oyena umuntu olushaba labanye abafundisi nolushaba labazalwane ngumuntu othetha ngesono.
A person who becomes an enemy to brethren and other preachers is the person who is against sin.